Tesunho Device Management Cloud Platform makes it easy to check the status of your radios. In this video, we'll show you how to enable the cloud platform and how to view device status in the cloud platform. Let's start with enabling the cloud platform. First, you'll need to do these preparations. In the software, select the corresponding port and read your radio. Click Cloud Setting. Set Cloud Enable to On. Enter the information provided in these fields. Click Write and it's done. After configuring all devices, provide Tesunho with the serial numbers of all devices. The device serial numbers will be imported into the cloud platform database as device IDs. Next, let's learn how to view the status of your device. Go to the Cloud Platform website and log into the Cloud Platform. In Device Management, you can view the status of all devices. The device ID is the serial number of the device. You can click Details to view more information about the device. Very intuitive and convenient. You can also click Maps to see the location of the device.